Hi there, and welcome back to my channel Full Stack Explorers. As you know, in the last video we worked on setting up our project with Daisy UI. In today's video we will work on login and register pages. Let's get started now. Open New tab and search for Daisy UI. Click on first link and then clicked on See Components. Scroll down a bit and look for input fields. There we have some input fields made by Daisy UI. We will use these fields for project. Click on JSX and copy the code from here. Open the project again. As I'm in the VS Code. Create a new folder in Routes folder with the name of Login. In that folder, create a new file index.tsx. In the file, create an export method and name that method as login2. Let's make the div as a fragment here. In that fragment, I'll add login page as a component here, which we will create just now. In Islands folder, create a new folder with the name of auth. In that folder, create a file, login page. Create an export method here too, and paste the code which we copied from Daisy UI here. As we don't need search field here, so remove that field from here. Now make an adjustment of fields here. First, the username field need to be here, then email and password. Alright, now in the parent div of that login page, let's show fields in the center by adding some Tailwind styling here. Alright, let's take a button from Daisy UI. As I'm in Daisy UI site, click on button on sidebar. Scroll down a bit, now click on JSX. Copy the success button code from here. Get back to the project again. Now paste the code below of last field, which is password. Now change the text to login as it's a login page. Now copy the whole page code. Before moving further, let's remove username filed from above, as we will let user to log in with just email. The user can enter username on registration. Alright, now create a new folder in the Routes folder. This time the folder name will be register. In that folder, we create a new file index.tsx. In that file, we will create an exported default method here. I'll name the method as register. In that method, I'll create register page as a component here, same like we did in the login section. Let's create this file in Islands folder. In that file, I'll remove the code which I copied before modifying the login page. I'll change the method name to register page from bottom and above. Now in the register file, I'll call the method there. Alright, everything is set up now. Let's check the changes in the browser now. As I'm in the browser, let's go to register page first. As you can see, we have 3 fields and a button now. Let's check the login page now. Great, it's looking fine as expected. Just to inform you guys on one thing, I'm not particularly focusing on UI right now. We can make that UI more better, but I'll take that part to you guys. That's it for now. In the next video, we will work on integration of these pages we just created. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Happy coding!